Okay, we're back. And last time you told me about our definitions of what AI means or machine learning and how we use it. And so there was a lot of talking, but I want to see something.
Okay, so I prepared something.
Okay.
I will show you something.
Okay, wait a minute. We're logging into JetOx Web. That means we already have JetOx Web installed.
Yes. So we have everything installed here, JetOx Suite, but nothing else. So what we want to do now is we want to install the assisted planning package.
Okay.
For now, we're installing the assisted planning package for forecast. We will install it from file.
So we're in My Models and then installing from file. Okay.
Yes, and we have this package here. So it's assisted sales planning.
Where would you get this package?
You will get it from the AI team, and it will soon be released in the marketplace.
Okay.
So you can get it there.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we install it as a global model. We're fine with that. This is the explanation. So now we have to wait a little. So we're ready now. Everything's installed, and we have now this new model here, version, and we are going directly to the model. We have these example reports here, and we start right from the top with data preprocessing.
Okay.